In order to add an assessment on to your Smart Notebook file, you're going to go over here to the yellow box with the check mark and click on it. It will open up the assessments. You're going to choose your file or your type of question. So I'm going to go ahead and hit multiple choice. You can type your question. You can drag an image in there. Type in your answers. And then pick which answer is correct. Then you can add another question. You can change what type of question it is up here. So say I wanted a true-false question. I can type in my statement here. And then once you get finished, you'd select your correct answer. And then you can keep adding questions until you're done, and then you're going to hit next. Everything's in there. You can look over everything. You can go back to previous and keep editing. I'm going to click finish because I'm done. Now it's going to insert this assessment onto your slide. So when you are ready to use this with your class, you would pull this up to show your students, and your students would go to hellosmart.com. They're going to click join as guest, type in their class ID, click next. They will type in their name and click join as guest. Now you'll notice over here your list of students as they join will appear. When you have your students all of your students, you're going to go ahead and click start. And then your students can answer the question. And you notice here that when your students start answering the questions, it'll show you when it's done. So you can see each person when they're done, and you can go ahead and click end. And it's going to show you what the correct answer is and the number of students that got the correct answer or the incorrect answer. If you need to open up the quiz again, if you notice here over here is the little cell phone icon, and you can pull that information up again. If this is the only thing that comes up and the larger one doesn't, if you notice this little arrow, that pops open to the bigger one.